Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Mobizen and we click here. Then this page of app unfold, we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. And you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.